Alright, let's get to it, man. Let's unban the first account. Just gotta ban appeal. This one more cute. Log in. As you guys can see, this account here is permanently banned. Okay, but permanently banned. Rats, what's rats, bro? Don't be rude. You get banned. Look, permanently banned. This account is permanently banned. Look at this. Copy the Activision ID. Go select Activision here. It's not that hard. Let it connect to the servers. There we go, we're in. Now we'll paste it here. Let it do its thing. And when it says this, we basically should be on BAM now, so. But I usually wait like a few seconds. I'll show you guys, this is the same account. Look at this. Same email, same account that we put in here. This says permanently banned. We rammed it to. Now when we refresh, by just refreshing, same account, same email, not ban detected. Simple as that. And this is live. This is live. My connection sucks right now. I don't know what's going on. I think YouTube is doing that, but